brand new course on modular origami. Modular origami, also called 3D origami, is a special kind of origami that evolved in the 18th century. Instead of making a shape out of single piece of paper, the complex shapes are assembled out of tiny modules. I personally love modular origami. It is so satisfying to fold and the units and have them assembled into a beautiful model, almost like magic. This course does not contain a set of shapes you can repeat and can be done with, but rather the generic way of assembling the pieces together, allowing you to implement them in any craft of your choice. So from the next session, we'll start creating exciting and beautiful models. If you are new to origami or just looking to brush up on basics, please check out my Origami Level 1 series, which will help you with the basics of origami. In the next video, I will teach you how to make a modular origami fox box. Show some love by giving like to the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.